Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install domain controller on Windows Server. So first thing is you need to start server manager and click on the manage roles, and once you get this screen you need to click on next. Now choose the your server name, make sure you have static IP installed on your server, click on next. Over here you need to choose role Active Directory Domain Services. Click on that role and click on next, click next, click next, and just click on install. Now the software binaries will be installed to create a domain controller at the moment. Now next thing you need to click on promote this server to domain controller. Over here, if you are creating a new domain, then obviously you need to choose the option add new forest, give proper name for your root domain. Make sure you need to amend with the domain controller with the .com, .org, .ai, whatever you like, and let's get pop up. Once you come on next screen, give the password for directory service restore mode. Click on next. Next. It will check the prerequisites. Once all prerequisite gets completed, you need to click on install. Some of them you can see on screen that are the warnings that you can simply ignore. If you want to fix it, you can fix by visiting the Microsoft link. And once you click on the next, it will start the installation. Then after installation, let's wait for it will ask you for the reboot, and once the system gets rebooted, you can need to set the password. Go back to the server, right click on the properties, and you can see the machine will be in domain. Whatever the domain directory you have created, then you can verify all installation with the help of Active Directory, software Active Directory domain and trust. You can expand your domain. Under here, under server manager, you can configure administration center, Active Directory users and computers you can manage under Active Directory use and computer. And over here you can add the additional user as per your requirement. That's it about domain configuration. Thank you for watching.